Ein wichtiger Bestandteil unserer Arbeit hier ist, mit der Industrie in Kontakt zu treten. Wir sind öfters mal auf Entwicklerkonferenzen, um da uns mit Firmen anzubandeln und da mehr Workshops reinzuholen, auch irgendwie einen konstanten Fluss zu haben.
Wir wollen heute mit Crytek reden und mit ihnen vor allem über Möglichkeiten der Zusammenarbeit quatschen.
Wir sind schon gespannt, was so Crytek zu bieten hat. Vor allem, wie das Büro aussieht, wie die so arbeiten, wie die so drauf sind. Das wird sicher witzig. So nett, dass wir auch da sind und so. Gibt uns Zeug, macht was mit uns.
We have a kind of a larger education initiative, right? We need to be as good at helping people learn CryEngine and helping support them in using it as it is rewarding to build the games, right? You can build amazing games, but it hasn't been so easy. So Colin and I are developing a series of courses, and in the end, hopefully maybe a year from now, let's say conservatively, we should have a set of courses that cover all the core tools and game development principles through C++ and C# programming. That doesn't mean it covers every single tool in the engine, but if you have done those courses, you should know CryEngine. You should be able to develop any game. So whatever your preferred learning style is, classroom, self-study, or video, you can do any of those. And those will be supported by this big improvement in documentation, where there are many, many tutorials, new tutorials being released at the moment.
That's awesome.
For heroin.
To ask for it.
Oh yes,
You've
thank
got,
you. Nice.
Shirts.
That's awesome.